Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to study the model question paper. Many students were asking about the model question paper. So slightly changes in this academic year. So as you are watching on the screen, you can prepare accordingly. So this is the model question paper 2021 intermediate first year Arabic paper 1 second language. Time is 3 hours. Maximum marks is 100. Question number 1. Uktub baytayni min ihdal unshudatayni at-taliyatayni. So 6 into 1, 6 marks. So bit number 1 has 6 marks. If you are not able to understand this Arabic line, so don't worry, the translation of this line will be given here. Write any 2 verses of any one of the following poems. So here A, B, C, 3 poems are mentioned. Any one of these 3 you can write. What you have to write? Suppose you have memorized the 2 lines of the poem Tala al-Badru alayna, then write here the bit number 1, then B, Tala al-Badru alayna, then after number 1, Tala al-Badru alayna min saniyati al-wada' wajaba shukru alayna ma da'a lillahi da'in. Or if you know this one, Allahu ma'i, then you have to write 2 lines of this poem. So 2 verses of any one of the following poems. So for that, if you are going to write 2 verses of any one of the following poems, you will get 6 marks. Then this is question number 2. Uktub khulasa min ihdal unshudatayn at-taliyatayn, 6 into 1, 6 marks. Here also 3 options are given. A, B, C. So anyone you can choose for writing the summary of the poem in English. Write the summary of any one of the following poems in your own language. So at least 1 page you have to write the summary in English, and you will get 6 marks here also. Bit number 3 here. Uktub khulasa, dars lesson. Khulasa summary. Fi lughatikum, in your own language. So here also you are getting 6 marks. Write the summary of any one of the following lessons in your own language. So here the prose section. So among the prose section, these questions will be asked. Number 1 here is mentioned Telangana az-Zahabiyya, means golden Telangana. Then second one Suratul Fatiha. Third one Al-Hiwar, conversation. So these are the poetry section and these are from the prose section. So here also you will get 6 marks. You have to write the summary in your own language, that means in English. Then after the 4th bit, Ajib an arba'a, 4 as'ilah, questions min al-atiyah, from the following fil lughat al-arabiyyah, in Arabic language. So 2 into 4, 8 marks. So each answer consists on 4 marks. So answer any 4. Answer any 4 of the following questions in Arabic. So you have to write any 4 and you will get 8 marks. So this is from non-detailed section. So in your reader you can find out the non-detailed section like Khadijatul Kubra, Malika Saba, Queen Sheba, and some more non-details are there. So questions, answers will be asked from the non-detailed section in the bit number 4 for 8 marks. Then bit number 5th, min ayyati unshudatin hadhihi al-abyat ajib anil isnayn. From which poem these lines are taken, answer any 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 verses are there from different poems. So any 2 you have to answer, and for that you will get 6 marks. So suppose Allahu fi qalbi wa fi zamiri, Allahu fi hissi wa fi sha'uri. Copy this one on your answer sheet. Then under this line write al-jawab. Then after hadha ash-shi'ru ukhiza min nashidati Allahu ma'i. Same thing, you can copy another line and answer will be the same, 6 marks. So this is reference from the poetry section. Then after min ayyi dars, lesson, hadhihi sutur ajibani lisnayn. From which lessons these lines are taken, answer any 2. So these lines are given here from the prose section. So inna Eid Batkamma min al-ayadi al-thaqafa al-muhimma li-Telangana. So li-Telangana, Telangana az-Zahabiyya. So this line is taken from the lesson Telangana az-Zahabiyya. So you have to write in Arabic. So هذه العبارة أخذت من الدرس تلنغانا الذهبية إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. At the end of the surahs in your notebook, in your book, there will be a reference from the Holy Quran. So there you can find the answer also. هذه الآية أخذت من سورة الفاتحة. قال أنس رضي الله تعالى عنه فصل لربك وانحر. So here also 5 questions are given here from the different Holy Quran's chapter and the lessons which are included in the Board of Intermediate First Year Arabic Second Language. So here also you will get 6 marks. Then bit number 7, SAQs from poetry section. Answer any 2 of the following in Arabic. So min ayna zahara al-badru liman al-fazlu fi hadhihi al-unshuda hal illahu yaqbalu du'a al-um mata tazkuru Allah hal illahu fil juhdi was-surur. So you have to answer of these questions, and these questions are given here from the poetry section. Marks is 6 here. Then after bit number 8, here also SAQs, short question and answer from prose section, and prose has surahs also and some other lessons also. So kam ayatan fi surati al-Ikhlas, how many verses are there in Surah Ikhlas? Man huwa kabirul wuzara li vilayati Telangana, who is the CM, Chief Minister of Telangana State? Liman aata Allahu al-Kawthar, to whom Allah has given the Kawthar. So, liman a'atallahu al-kawthar. The question is repeated here. So, it is typing mistake. Here should be another questions. So, here also you will get 6 marks. Then after bit number 9, VSQs from poetry section, and marks is 5. There is no choice. Man fil juhdi was surur, Allah. Man tamannat, al ayu shayin zailun, al mal. Man is samiru bil layl, sadiqi. Ahuwa sadiqun bin nahar. Naam. So here also 5 marks. Then after bit number 10, here also 5 marks. Answer the following questions in 1 word. So these questions are given from the prose section. Kam ayatan fi surati al-Fatiha. Man huwa malik yawmiddin, man jaa fil bustan, man ammara Hyderabad, akana Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam rahmatan lil haywan. So here you will be given 5 marks also. Then after bit number 11, it is the passage. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below in Arabic. So altogether you have almost 6 passages, and for practice I have given here the passage of the Suratul Fatiha. So you have to read first all these lines, ibara, this passage, then after as'ila, questions. So these 5 questions are related to the lines mentioned above. Uzkur asma al-Quran al-Shahira. Mention the famous name of the Holy Quran. ومن أسمائها الشهيرة فاتحة الكتاب سورة الحمد سورة الصلاة الكتاب وأم القرآن وأساس القرآن وسورة الكنز الوافية الكافية الدعاء الشفاء السبع المثاني وغيرها. This is the answer. ما هو أفضل الدعاء؟ لا إله إلا الله. ما هو ثمن كل نعمة؟ الحمد ثمن كل نعمة. So this is the passage for 5 marks. Then after bit number 12, grammar is going to start from the bit number 12. Bit number 12 has 2 sections, A and B. A has 4 marks and B has also 4 marks. So B section is going to come as it is, whatever you are watching here. The same questions will be repeated, inshallah. So, but this one can be changed. Sometimes they will ask you fill in the blanks by using the prepositions, as here these are mentioned. These are the prepositions you have to fill here. Like al-waladu fil bayt, the boy is in the house. Zahaba Ahmad ila al-madrasa, Ahmad went to the madrasa. Al-hasubu lil mudir, the computer is for the principal. Al-rajulu fil bayt, the man is in the house. Kharaja at-talibu min al-fasl, the student went out from the classroom. Al-kitabu ala al-maktab, the book is on the table. So all these prepositions are here. You can fill this one. So if this one doesn't come in the final exam, then the adawatul istifham, interrogative, they will ask you fill in the blanks by using the interrogative. If interrogative also doesn't come, then they will ask you fill in the blanks by using the pronoun like huwa, hiya, ana, nahnu, anta. So this section A, there is a chances to come this one also. Another 2 are there, which is adawatul istifham, interrogative words and pronoun. But here in the section B, only the same question will be repeated. They will ask you anyhow, identify masculine and feminine in 4 sentences. So it has also 4 marks. And sayyaratun, salma, waladun, hamrau, talibun, jamiatun. What you have to do? Jamiatun, just open the bracket and write al muannath, then close the bracket. Answer will be correct. So how do you know this is the feminine gender? This is feminine gender means al muannath, and waladun masculine gender means al muzakkar. So muzakkar muannath will be mentioned in the question paper. Just you have to copy from here whether it is muannath or muzakkar. So if there is a muzakkar, you have to write al muzakkar. If there is a muannath, you have to write al muannath, at least in 4 sentences. So for that you will get 4 marks. So if any word ends by round ta or by alif hamza or by ya kharaj zabar ya, so these are the indications of feminine genders. Remaining all will be treated as a masculine gender. Then here bit number 13, it is consist on 8 marks. A, B, C, D. 4 options are there. You have to go for any 2. So this is also grammar part. Uktub ba'z asma'il muzakkar. Write. Remember, only attempt any 2 of the following will be mentioned. And these A, B, C, D, meanings of these questions would not be given in the final examinations. You have to know here only in your class or in front of your sir. Uktub, write ba'z asma'il muzakkar, few names of the masculine gender. So you can write here like your name also, if you know very well, your father's name, or anyone, Hamid, Rashid, Zahid, masculine names they are asking. You will get for that 4 marks. Istakhdim al-adawatul istifham. Use the interrogative words fil jumal al-mufida in the sentences. And what are the adawatul istifham interrogative words are given here. Have a look in the bracket. Man, who, kaifa, how, Mada, what, mata, when, liman, whose, ayyu, which, hal, is, do, does, are, aina, where. So you have to use these words in the sentence like man anta, who are you, kaifa anta, how are you, maza qala rabbuka, mata ji'ta, liman hazal qalam, ayyu shay'in fi dunya munir, hal haza kitabun, aina baytuka, where is your house, like this. Then uktub khamsa, write 5 amthila, examples, lismil isharat lil ba'id, for the far indications. What are the far indications? Zalika, zanika, ulaika, for masculine gender. Feminine, tilka, tanika, ulaika. So like this you have to use in the sentence, like zalika kitabun, zalika qalamun, tilka bintun, tilka jamiatun, like that. Ma huwa zamir, what is pronoun? Bayyin aqsamahu, and state its kinds. Az-zamirul munfasil, another one is az-zamirul muttasil. And what are the attached pronoun and what are the detached pronoun? You go and open your book and find out over there the chapter pronoun. you will get the attached and detached pronoun. So here it has 8 marks, bit number 13. Then bit number 14, the last one. Here bit number 13 is over. Then 14. Convert any 8 definite into indefinite and indefinite into definite. So as I told you earlier, what is definite? So in English you use the, and in Arabic we use alif lam. For example, waladun, a boy, al waladu, the boy. So alif lam is a definite article of Arabic. So nothing to do here. Only if there is a word with alif lam, just copy this one and then after you write without alif lam. That will be the answer. If without alif lam is there, just copy that one on your answer sheet. Then after prefix the alif lam. So if there is alif lam, you should remove that alif lam and write down. And if there is no alif lam, you should add, you should prefix the alif lam. So very easy method, and you will get 8 marks here. Then we go to next page. Here use the following words to make 6 meaningful sentences in Arabic. So you have to make the meaningful sentence, and it has also 6 marks. So you are the beginners, so don't go for a lengthy sentences. Just before every word, just you prefix the haza or zalika. If there is a feminine, then tilka or hazihi. So like madrasatun, so only one word is feminine here. So don't worry if one will be wrong, doesn't matter. They are asking only 6. So before every word you should write hadha or zalika. The meaningful sentence will be completed and you will get the 6 marks. Then after the last bit, bit number 16, translate the following sentences into Arabic. 5 marks. This question has 5 marks. So here, those are the boys. Ulaika aulad. The pen is in the pocket. Al-qalamu fil jaybi. The engineers are perfect. Al-muhandisuna mahiruna. Fatima is a teacher. Fatima mudarrisatun. This is a new pen. This is a new pen. Haza qalamun jadidun. So all such questions will be given in each and every grammar lessons. So the last exercise will be about the translations. So almost altogether you have 30 or 25 translations. So here 5 are given. There will be no choice. So you should be very, very careful in this regard. I mean in the last bit, because you have to translate in Arabic. English line will be given, and many students were committing mistake in this section. So be careful. So these are the 16 bits which I explained in front of you little bit. if you want to know and if you want to understand in more details, so you can follow the book, or otherwise you can contact me or contact your sir. Prepare well, inshallah. The same pattern, whatever it has given, will come in the final examination. So follow this one. Prepare well. Best of luck. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.